Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be sharing a pretty awesome resource with all you folks by which you can learn Solidity. So like if you are wanting to get into Web3, so like JavaScript and Solidity are the two most important languages which you should learn. We all learn by different methods. Some learn by documentation, some learn by watching YouTube videos, some learn by playing. So this resource is a kind of a game, Crypto Zombies. So like you have to complete challenges and just play along with the tutorial and you will get to learn about Solidity. Okay, so I am on cryptozombies.io and I'm seeing their curriculum here. So they have a Solidity beginner path. It will take you for beginner to intermediate in smart contracts. They have like 6 courses in this beginner path. The other one is the chain link path. They have the advanced path, like to get in-depth knowledge of Solidity, and like they also have a beyond Ethereum path. So let's just click on this first level. Let's start the course. So as you can see here, when you start any course, so they'll have a chapter for you. They will have like some theory, some definitions, some lines of code which you will have to go through, and like this will help you to gain understanding the theoretical knowledge of what they're trying to teach you. And after that you have to just write the code here. So like you can learn about the theory and code at the exact same time. So this will give you a better practical knowledge of what they were trying to tell you. Alright, so that's for this video. I just wanted to share this amazing resource with all you folks to learn Solidity. Just one thing, if you like the video, you can press like, share and subscribe to show your support and like to stay up to date with my upcoming videos. Alright then, have a nice day. Bye bye, take care.